Alright, we're back with Tiny Fishing Part 5. It removed all of our progress from last 4 parts, but that's fine, we're just gonna go again. Because it's a neat game, that was abysmal. Yep, I understand. We had some money when I started, so I just put that all into depth and stuff. Apparently there's new fish from when we last played, so we're gonna have to, get our stuff together, you know, like start doing good and whatnot. So let's just keep on keeping up. That was abysmal. But yeah, we're doing fish stuff. Okay, gonna up our max depth. Check the aquarium, sure. I forget that that was a mechanic to this. That's cool. Okay. Let's go real deep in the fishlands of Fishland. Okay, that's a grand, I'll take it. Let's do that again. Cool. $800, not as good as last time, but it's okay. We got 10 fish on our thingy now. Some call it a rod. Scientific name is a thingy. That's 900 smackaroons. Very good. More depth. I'm a very deep boy. That's a sentence. Okay, 875 isn't terrible. Not too shabby. That's a new personal best for mega big dollar bucks. Cool. And a bit more money, more depth. I saw a different kind of fish. That's pretty cool. Another personal best. Nice. So many fish. Big dollar bucks as well. Can't go wrong with big dollar bucks. There we go. It's a little bit abysmal, but you know, it's something. We'll take it. That. Okay, that's doing its own thing. Alright, we're currently at 13 fish now. I want 14 fish. Wait, no, that said we had 14 fish on the hook, so we've got 14 right now. Oh. I forgot about these. We got the fancy cat hook. Do I want it? Not particularly. Nice. It's quite the hole. 3.2k. Wowza. Nice. Gotta check the aquarium for that there goldfish that we got. That was a lot of money. And a whole extra couple of meters. Okay. Nice. 15 is a nice round number. Invest in that in case we come back to this. We're going back to older games now purely because we're running out of stuff to play that's new. Which is fair. This time of year people ain't making a whole lot of stuff. It's near the end of December, a couple days till 2025, that's crazy. Nice. That's big. So big. Big money. I like the big money. It's like regular size money, but bigger. How good is that? Ah. There was a chest there that we missed because I was going cuckoo bananas. Might as well yank that. I'm gonna just let them get to their full extent of fishiness. Nice. Let's claim that. So many monies. I don't know what the gold coins are for. It's for that. That makes sense. I thought you kind of just got those from fishing. There we go. Not a terrible amount. I'll take it. A new type of fish? No, it's just telling us we can do stuff. There we go. Nice. That's a new record of monies that be coming from the sea. Sea money. I wasn't looking. That's on me. Ah. That's terrible, but hey, it's better than nothing. Okay, let's go to the aquarium and just yoink what we can from these fish. It's probably worth more to wait it out, but hey, the fish aren't gonna wait, you know, they're fish. Okay, that's fine. It's just an okay amount of money. More depth. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna watch that. Give me a sec. Okay. That's more depth. Very cool. So many fish. And a new record. Hopefully that is definitely a new record. Wow. That's quite nice. Is that a new fish also? An expensive new fish. Very good. Cool. That's another new best. We be earning the big bucks now. Okay. Eh, not terrible. Not great, but not bad, you know, it's just... That's what it is. It's flashing, which implies I can get stuff. Cool. Another whole meter of depth. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a little bit. Doesn't sound like a lot, because it's not a lot, I guess. I mean, it kind of makes sense. There we go. That would be a pretty decent hole. Yeah, 10.5. Not too bad. I think I'd prefer money over the hooks, but I mean, thanks for the generosity, I suppose. Should probably have a end goal in mind soon, just for today's thingo. Because I should really invest a whole bunch into this. I guess we'll get one more fish thing. And then we'll just chuck a bunch of money in the... like one more fish for the hook. We'll just chuck a whole lot of money in the idle money earnings. So we'll hopefully be able to start with something decent next time. Some cheeky little upgrades or something. That was terrible. How many fish do I need? There we go. That was bad, but hey, it's okay. There we go. 13,000, that's a new personal best. With an extra grand on top, just for good measure. Okay, now we're gonna do one more thingo. That wasn't great, and then put whatever we get from this in the idle money. And then we call it a day. 9k, not bad, not great. Just for where we're at, it's pretty decent. That's almost a grand for each minute we're gone, and we'll be gone for at least 24 hours, right? So that's pretty cool. I'm not doing that math, but that's money. Anyway, that was Tiny Fishing Part 5. Yeah, if you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for the games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a Skedaddle. See ya!